Welcome to this video, about part of AC500 controller basic training course. In this video we will show you the range of AC500 controllers and how to configure them. After completing this video you will be able to realize the following actions. Select the appropriate controller and terminal base for your needs. Interpret the controller display and handle the controller keys, create a new project or modify existing one. For your controller type, configure controller parameters. You can choose the appropriate controllers for small, medium and large applications. The user program memory vary from 128 KB up to 4 MB. All controllers are easy to configure by software. They provide powerful diagnosis on board. Different interfaces are available for easy communication. You can select them for central and distributed system concepts. All controller types are programmable with same software. Depending on your needs, with regard to performance class and memory size, you can choose from different controllers. The range starts with compact controllers with integrated I/Os. Some of them provide Ethernet connection on board. The next modular controllers provide different fieldbus and network connections. Most of them, Ethernet connection on board. All controllers can be extended with I/O modules. For all controller types you will use the same PS501 engineering software. Let us consider the components of the compact controller AC500 Eco. The LEDs show the status of controller and onboard I/Os. The onboard I/Os are to be wired to this terminal block. Additional S500 I/O modules can be connected to the controller on the right side. For controller with onboard Ethernet there is an RJ45 plug. COM1 is a RS485 serial interface. It can be used for online access and different serial connections. The program execution can be controlled by a switch. With regards to your needs, you can equip the controller with the following optional accessories: wall mounting and cover plates, or SD card accessories, additional COM interface, or real-time clock option, programming cable for COM interfaces, and signal simulator. Modular controllers and communication modules are mounted on a terminal base. Terminal bases with 1, 2 or 4 slots for communication modules are available. If you don't need any, use a module TA524 for covering the slot. The controller is equipped with following components: LCD display and keypad, battery for backup of retained data, and a real-time clock. SD card as external memory device. Right to the controller, up to 10 I/O modules can be connected. Left to the controller, up to 4 communication modules can be mounted. The Ethernet plug on terminal base is always present. The online access and several protocols are given for controllers equipped with onboard Ethernet. If the controller is a field bus slave, the field bus neutral interface is to be used for connection. Alternatively, it can be used for online access. 2 serial interfaces for online access and further connections are provided. Terminals for 24-volt DC power supply are provided. Let us consider the controller's display and front elements. A text and numbers on the LCD display indicate operating status and error codes. The display is also useful for local address configuration. The LCD display contains additional indicators, as squares and triangles helping to operate. 3 LEDs indicate the AC500 status. In error-free operation, green LEDs, power and run will be on. Red LED error indicates at least one not acknowledged error is present. You can use the keypad for local operation. With key run you can start and stop the program execution. With key val you get system information. Escape key allows you to exit any menu without saving. With key OK you exit any menu with saving. Use key diagnosis for troubleshooting. With key CFG you can locally set addresses. In order to have more information on AC500 controller, open any AC500 project. Double-click the item AC500 in the project tree. The project editor will be opened. In the following video we will show how to further proceed. Select the menu Help. Then, Contents. The Help window will be opened. Click the item Target System, and then AC500/S500. By the way, you can adapt the window size. Select the item Hardware AC500 and then CPUs. Now you can select the appropriate type from the list. Select the item Terminal Bases and Terminal Units to get more information. The controller display can be used for troubleshooting. In case of an error, the error class and error number are displayed. In this example E3 indicates a light error. The number 8 is indicating that one component is missing. To get a detailed information for the error, push repeatedly the key diag for diagnosis. For each error, up to 4 detailed information is given. You can leave the menu by pushing Escape key for without error acknowledgement, or the key OK for with error acknowledgement. In the next step you will see where to find the error description in the Help menu of your project. In order to find the error code, open any AC500 project. Select the menu Help, Contents. In the following video we will show how to further proceed. Click on the item Target System, and then AC500/S500. Select the item System Technology of the AC500 CPUs, and then the Diagnosis System in AC500. Now, we will show how to deal with controller type definition and parameterization within a project. The controller type is to be selected by creation of a new project. Open the Control Builder Plus by double-click at its icon. In the following video we will show how to further proceed. Select Menu Item File New Project. Click on the appropriate controller type in the list box. Define a name for the project file. Select where the project is to be stored. Click on OK button to confirm your entries. After that the CPU type is visible in the project tree. Sometimes the existing project has to be adapted for another controller type. Open the existing project and save it as a new one. In the following video we will show how to further proceed. Select the controller item in the project tree. Then click right on it. Select the item Update Device from the menu. The device box is visible. You will find there all controller types available. Select the appropriate type. Confirm your entry clicking the button, Update Device, and close the box. Look at the text in brackets. The controller type has been changed. Now we will modify the label. You can identify with your own name. Now the modification is done. Mostly default controller parameters fulfill the requirements. By modifying them you change the behavior of the controller. Example, the AC500 works without battery. You can switch off the monitoring of battery charge to avoid error indication. In the following video we will show how to change this controller parameter. Select Item Controller Parameters in the project tree, to get the parameter table. From the left you see the columns with parameter names, variable type, parameter value, default value, unit and short description. Click the cell value in the row for parameter check battery. Then select the value off from the list. Now the parameter is changed. Finally we will show how to find detailed controller parameter description. Click the Control Builder plus Help menu and select the item contents. Select the AC500 CPU parameters from the list. And check the different parameter configuration available. Thank you for attending this video. If you want to learn more about a scalable AC500 controller, please use the following link. Or if you have an additional technical questions, you can contact our helpline support. For general comments and questions about this video, don't hesitate to contact us.